Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on a vital component for many office environments: the replacement parts for printer PRTA 26203 Fuser unit, specifically designed for Lexmark MS710 and MS711 series printers. This particular unit is the 220V version, identified by part number 40X80503, a critical piece of hardware that ensures toner is properly fused onto the paper, directly impacting the quality and longevity of your printed documents. When considering a replacement fuser assembly like this one, there are several important aspects that potential buyers must carefully consider. Foremost among these is the condition of the item. It is explicitly stated that units are sent randomly as either original refurbished or compatible new. This is a significant detail, and individuals who have a strong preference for one condition over the other are advised against placing an order. This transparency from the seller is commendable, as it sets clear expectations up front, preventing potential dissatisfaction down the line. Another crucial point for anyone looking to purchase this fuser unit is the absolute necessity of verifying compatibility. While the model numbers Lexmark MS710 and MS711 are provided for reference, it is imperative that the item's appearance, size, and color are meticulously compared with the original part currently in the machine. Furthermore, the part number itself must match. Relying solely on the printer model number can lead to an incorrect purchase, causing unnecessary delays and frustration. The advice here is to physically inspect the existing fuser and cross-reference every detail before committing to a purchase. This diligent approach ensures that the replacement part will fit and function correctly within the specific printer model. The package content is straightforward: one piece of the fuser unit. This means users receive exactly what is needed for the replacement. Understanding that this is a 220V unit is also key for regions where this voltage is standard. Ultimately, for those in need of a fuser unit for their Lexmark MS710 or MS711, this product offers a solution, provided the buyer is fully aware of the item condition lottery and takes the necessary steps to confirm exact compatibility with their existing hardware. Making an informed decision based on these critical details will lead to a smoother replacement process and continued reliable printer operation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.